I need your help. I don't even know which one to choose anymore. They're all different, but they're all great. We can't make that decision for you. But whatever you do, decide quickly. Amina!
Don't say anything. I'll make it easy for you. Just leave me alone.
Amina, can we just talk?
No. So, how are things with you and Saad? You still talk to him? No, I thought he picked you. I haven't heard from him in weeks. Why do I suddenly feel like Said is up to something? Because he definitely is. Should we follow him? I was literally thinking the same thing.